How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of gas in your stomach instantly, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. I know about gas in the stomach. From all my years of bodybuilding, I used whey protein, you guys. And I used it for probably 10 years. After 10 years, the last probably 5 years of taking it, the last 3 years of taking it after the 10 years, I got bad gas. And then for the last 3 years, I just haven't had it at all. It just does not agree with my stomach. So eventually I started getting bad gas, and I'm going to show you what I did. So there's a couple of different ways that we can get rid of gas in the stomach. The main one that we want to do though is massaging the area and pushing the gas out. If you do other remedies, it's going to take hours and hours and hours until eventually the gas passes. I know this because, like I said, I had gas every day, bad gas for probably like 3 years. So I started doing this and it does work. You're just literally massaging the area. Now you kind of want to massage in the area that basically how the intestine works through our body. So it kind of makes like a circle in our body. It kind of goes like this. So what we want to do is you want to get your hand and you want to make circles, but you want to go in, you basically want to do this. You want to make a circle inside your stomach, but you want to go like this. You want to move side to side, and then you want to come down, and then you want to move to the side, and then you're just basically going like this. So circle, circle. Now, if you don't want to do this, that's fine. Just literally rub in a big circle like this. Do it both ways though. Do clockwise and do counterclockwise. I would generally do this for about 10 to 15 minutes a day in the morning and before going to bed. So just like this. Again, 10 to 20 minutes, I guess, if you will. That does help. Like, it helps tremendously. The next thing to do is to take a warm compress or a heating pad and put it on your stomach. The reason this works is it relaxes the stomach. And when your stomach is relaxed, the gas will then start to come out of your stomach. You'll fart a lot more, which is fine, but it relaxes the stomach and it helps with the gas pain. The last thing that I would do is go for a slow walk. Walking or exercise in general, as long as it's low intensity, helps to push gas out of your stomach. I would highly recommend, if you're getting gas daily, to look at your diet. Don't be like me where you waited 2 or 3 years to get rid of whatever is causing the upset stomach. Try to do it sooner, because having gas every day is it's uncomfortable, you guys. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching.